What's up, fellas? So today I'm going to be replacing my cabin air filter on my 2005 Acura TSX. On most cars, the cabin air filter is located somewhere behind the glove box. So step number one is to take all the crap out of your glove box, which is what I'm doing right now. So in this car, to get access to the cabin air filter, I need to drop the glove box down. And to do so is really easy. There are just a few plastic clips that you have to undo. They'll come out really easy, no tools required, and I'll show you how to do that now. So I should mention that what the cabin air filter does is filters all the air that comes from outside of your car to inside the car. So anything that comes through the vents, through the heating system or the air conditioning system, goes through this cabin air filter so it can clean the air before it comes to you. So it's definitely important to change this every once a year or so to make sure that the air inside your car is clean and you're not breathing anything too dirty. So the last thing to do in order to get access to the filter is to disconnect this plastic connector right here. And here's what I don't understand. So it seems like the job of this connector is to prevent the glove box from dropping all the way to the ground. But once you remove it, you see that there's this string that's preventing the glove box from dropping all the way to the ground. So what I don't get is, what was the point of the plastic connector if it's not doing anything that this string wasn't already doing, and it doesn't allow you to get access to the filter when it's connected? So I don't get the design of this glove box. So if anyone has any ideas or can figure it out, write a comment below and let me know, because I don't get it. Anyway, here's the filter that we were after the whole time. And it's super easy to remove. You just pull on the tabs on either side and pull it towards you, and it comes right out. One important thing to mention is that to make sure you're putting it in the right direction, match up the airflow arrow on the filter itself with the airflow arrow on the plastic bracket that you're putting it into. And to install the new air filter, you just reverse the process of taking the old one out. So this is definitely one of the easiest maintenance items that you can do on your car yourself. There are no tools required, and it only takes about 5 to 10 minutes to complete the whole process. You can get an air filter for your car anywhere, auto parts store, Walmart, they'll have one specifically for your car, and you can do it yourself really easily. So with pollen season coming up, I'd recommend everyone go check your air filter, pull it out from behind your glove box and see how dirty it is. If it's been over a year since it was changed last, it's probably pretty nasty, and you should be able to replace it yourself without too much trouble. So thanks for watching. Hopefully this was helpful and it encourages you to go change your air filter yourself. If you liked the video, please like the video, and don't forget to subscribe for future updates from Paul the Car Whisperer.